Oh, we've got an awesome 1965 Corvette 327 with a 365 horsepower engine, and it has the credentials. This is an NCRS Top Flight Award winner, recently too. Scored 98.9 points out of 100. All the numbers match throughout. Photos of the restoration, very well documented, judged car. Go to volocars.com where you'll find about 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this Corvette, along with the photos, videos, information, financing. There's also a QR code on your screen and a link in the description. Either one of those will bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, full-blown body off frame restoration. The pictures to back that up. And the body is in excellent shape. The headlights fit beautifully, all square. They work. The hood fits square and flush, and I don't see any damage or body work or cracking. All of this is fantastic. All this is looking great. No issues. Here's a little, oh, I thought it was going to be a touch-up. Just a little dark spot like in the paint. Very minor. All this is fantastic. Oh, got it open so easily. The jams are real nice and clean. The gaps right here, this busy intersection, all lines up really well. All nice and clean. The lid is all nice. A lot of Corvettes have cracks, so you'll see body work showing. I'm not seeing any of that. This is all amazing, all real nice looking. They usually have chips around here from the top, and they usually have a mark from the top sitting in the paint. This doesn't even have that. And again, this intersection is all real nice on this side too. The door opens, the button opens effortlessly. The jams are all painted, and they're more of like a satin finish. That's the way they're supposed to be. I just learned that not that long ago. Not shiny like the outside. Shuts like new. So the body is amazing. Repainted its original Nassau Blue color. The metallic is laid out, it's not blotchy, and it's polished to a very smooth, glossy finish. The bumpers look like they're a good, real good 9 out of 10. Cross flags look new. Same thing on the fenders here. All this stainless is a real nice 8 out of 10. It's just a slight patina, but very nice. The chrome vent window frames are real nice. Now, when they're judging for originality, of course, condition, and function. I have the judging sheets actually, and there is a whole section on actual function of the car. Has a black convertible top, pictures of that on our website. It's in excellent shape. It's all redone. Of course, it has the side pipes. I love the way it looks. I love the way it sounds even better, especially in a 4-speed. You're shifting those gears. You're going to want to downshift and shift, and it sounds great. These could be original. I have a little patina. This looks like new. Emblem sparkling. The back bumper is a 7 or 8 out of 10. It does have the optional reverse lights, and all that's looking real sharp. Factory power antenna. Has the bow tie mirror. And then, of course, it has knockoff wheels, reproduction knockoffs wrapped in reproduction tires that still has the nubs on the tread. They haven't even been worn off yet. I'll look at the date, but it's a very fresh NCRS Top Flight winner, not from 20 years ago. So that's the exterior. It's awesome. Let's open it up, see the interior. All right, check out the finish on that paint. Sparkling chrome. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Like I said, the jams are all redone properly. Has more of a satin sheen to it. Weather strips and sill plates are replaced. Door panels in excellent condition. So are all the chrome handles. The dash area, beautiful. Looks like it's restored. Has the correct 6500 red line tack for the high performance engine. So all this is working in excellent shape. Fortunately, the clock's only right twice a day. All the knobs and AM, FM radio all looking good. Both dash pads are excellent. This one's got the handle for the passenger. Here's original Little reproduction owner's manual and some miscellaneous. This is a lock for the spare tire underneath. So all this is real nice. Kick panels, carpets laid in real nice front to back, reproduction mats. This is all real nice, correct 4-speed reverse lockout shifter. Bow tie seat belts look new. Cushions nice and firm in the seats, and the seats are reupholstered. Seat back looks like a good original. And everything back here. So the top frame's restored, top's replaced. And down underneath here, it does have the correct jack and the lead hammer for the knockoff spinners, and all the carpets replaced. And even the visors and the mirror are looking good. Steering wheel looks good. Has a little repair down here at the bottom. Very, very nice exterior and interior. So this engine's a little Mighty Mouse. That 327 putting out 365 horsepower will give just about any big block a run for its money. They're 11 1/4 to 1 compression, solid lifters, so they rev nice and high. They come with the aluminum intake, which this has. They're visually identified by the finned aluminum valve covers. This has the correct air cleaner, all the ignition shielding, the right overspray on the manifolds. That's the way it's supposed to be. You can see the markings put back in place, and all of this is restored. Correct radiator, dated properly, the right fan. It has the deep groove pulleys, so when you're revving it real high, the belts don't fly off. It looks like reproduction belts. Correct overspray on the hose, the correct fuel filter. And then in all those pictures, the numbers on the alternator, everything's matching, not just the motor, but a lot of components are as well. Like this is dated 1965. Still got the correct hoses, the spring clamp cables. So it's a very, very potent engine, and it's very authentically restored. Michael's going to demonstrate for you. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Horsepower and a 327 with a 4-speed and side pipes. Heck yeah, sign me up for a good time. Awesome open air experience. Got those side pipes making your seat rumble when you downshift there. I absolutely love this one. Really high quality car, and the ride matches the type of restoration that was done, and she feels great. Let's see what she's got. All right. We wound up speeding a little bit. Actually, up to about 70 miles an hour there. What a great time. Nice, tight car. Great suspension. Feels really fresh, as do the seats. You can tell that they're re-cushioned. Got nice, tight steering here. And goes through the gears with ease. Absolutely wonderful. Somebody's going to get a real winner here. Nice investment quality purchase. Calm down, take it for a spin if you'd like to, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So again, a thorough body off frame restoration. We have pictures of just the bare frame being prepped and painted. All of the suspension, chassis, all rebuilt. It's independent suspension in the front and back. That was all redone. All the brakes, it's disc brakes all the way around. This is the first year for disc brakes in a Corvette, and it used that all four wheels. That was all restored. Brake lines, e-brake assembly, hoses, you name it. Fuel system was all restored. The exhaust, obviously, again, is the side exhaust. So there's no exhaust underneath the car. What you will see is nice raw fiberglass floors. That's the way it should be. They're not supposed to be painted black. Painted black, a lot of times that might be an indicator they did some repairs or they were nasty and they painted them black. Well, these are raw fiberglass. That says a lot about the car. I look up at the motor. It's all clean, Chevy orange, has the correct, the right numbers on the starter, the lower ignition shielding. It has a GM oil filter. Transmission is the original numbers match 4-speed Muncie transmission. In back is the original dated and coded rear end. I think it was a 336 or a 355 rear end, but now does have 373 gears inside. So it is the numbers match rear end. The gears inside have been changed. That's a posi. It does have the spare tire carrier underneath there, and that's the lock in the glove box for that. So everything underneath the car, absolutely spotless, beautifully restored. You have to take my word for it. Again, 98.9. It scored and was awarded a Top Flight Award from NCRS. Go to volocars.com. There's all this information and pictures on our website, and the salesmen are there to help answer your questions, including how to get your Corvette delivered to your door. Thanks for watching.